Bonjour! Welcome to another video. Today, we're going to be making berets. For this video, you'll be needing felt, a sewing needle and thread, or a sewing machine if you have one. And guess what? That's it. Alright, you can also use glue. Alright, let's move on into the video. So, first you'll need to cut out a circle of your foam. Make sure you cut out 2. I made mine around the size of Ivy's beret that I already have. Then you'll want a little more, and we're going to roll that up and sew it onto the top. Once you've done that, you're going to want to take your piece of circle and make sure you've sewed all the way around and double check for holes. And take your scissors. Now pop it out like this, and using one of your sides, just add a little slit. And then you can cross it, make it into an X if you want to. And then just flip it right side out, like so. Alright, then you just want to cut a hole around the insert where you made, and you can place it on top of your doll's head. If you want to, you can add this. Just roll up a piece of felt and sew it onto inside like American Girl did. Alright, thank you, and see you next time. Bye!